Everybody open yesterday's homework, Nana. Once everybody open yesterday's homework, max homework. Are you ready with your books, Nana? Max book. Take your max notebook. Children, take your max notebook and open yesterday's homework. Now I will give the answer. Just check your answers. Open yesterday's homework, page number 61. Everybody open your term book, page number 61, review exercise. Okay. Now I am giving the explanation regarding the yesterday's homework. Just check your answers. Okay, Nana? Now. So, first we have to move right to left or left to right. We have to move right to left. Yes. Now, what is the first number here? 0. What is the second number here? 0. So, you have 0 and your friend is asking 0. Yes. You are having 0. Your friend is asking 0. Can you tell me what is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. Now, next. You have 5. You have 5 chocolates. Your friend is asking 0 chocolates. 0 means not asking anything. So finally, how many are left with you, Nana? 5. Next. How many you have here? 5. Your friend is asking 5 chocolates. You are having 5 and your friend is asking these 5 chocolates. After giving these 5 chocolates to your friend, how many are left with you? 0. You have 5. You are giving 5 chocolates. So how many are left with you? 0. Next. How many you have here? 7. How many you have? 7. How many you should give to your friend? 2. So these 2 you are giving to your friend. You have 7 and these 2 you are giving to your friend. How many you have, Nana? 5. This is the rupees part and this is pies part. Together means you have to keep rupees symbol and this is ones place, tens place. After that we have to keep dot. Okay? 50 rupees, 50 pies. What is the first question answer, Nana? A. 50 rupees, 50 pies. Now look at the second question answer. How many you have? 5. How many your friend is asking? 5 only. So these 5 you are giving to your friend. You have 5. These 5 you are giving to your friend. So how many left with you, Nana? 0. And you have here 2. And your friend is asking 2 only. So these 2 you are taking and giving to your friend. So how many are left with you? You have 2. These 2 you are giving to your friend. So how many are left with you? 0. Next. Now how many you have? 6. How many your friend is asking? 0. 0 means not asking anything. So are you giving anything to your friend? Are you giving anything to your friend? No. So how many are left with you? 6. Now you have 9. Now you have 9. How many you should give to your friend? 8. You have 9. How many you should give to your friend? 8. How many are left with you? 1. Okay, ma? Now, this is rupees part and this is pies part. So, keep rupees symbol first. Where you will keep dot? Ones place, tens place. After the tens place, you will keep the dot. So, dot before dot will separate rupees and pies. This is rupees part and this is pies part. Check your answers. Very good. Dakshi, already subtraction part completed, Namma. Just you try yourself. Yesterday, Miss explained only subtraction part, ma. You know already the topic we covered. Okay. In the textbook only, you have to do review exercise, page number 61. Miss gave yesterday homework, na? That one just check your answers, Nana. Okay, ma? Now, what is our next chapter, ma? Third chapter, multiplication. What is our next chapter? Multiplication. So, who didn't do this one? Just to take screenshot, later you copy this. Who didn't complete this one homework? Just take screenshot. Okay. So next chapter is multiplication. Okay. Now, just you listen. No need to write anything. Just you look at me. What I am saying, just you listen. Okay. For some time, you can close your textbook. Just look at the board. Okay, Nana? Now, what is our new chapter? Multiplication. What is our new chapter? Multiplication. Okay. First, tell me what is addition? What we will do in this addition? Addition means what? You have 5 and your friend is giving 3. Your friend is having 3 and you are having 5. Okay? You are having 5 chocolates. Your friend is having 3 chocolates. So addition means what you will do? You will bring 5. Already you have that 5 and your friend will give 3 chocolates. Okay? So how many chocolates you have total? 8 chocolates means 5 and 3 together with you. Okay? 5 and 3. So you are bringing 5 and 3 together. Okay, ma? Addition means what, Nana? Bringing the numbers together. So you are bringing 5 and 3 together. 5 and 3 together is nothing but bringing the numbers together is nothing but a addition. So in the addition, what we will do? Bringing the numbers. Bringing the numbers together. Addition means bringing the numbers together. 5 and 3. So already you have 5. From your friend, how many you are getting? 3. So total how many you have? 8. Okay, Nana? Bringing the numbers together is nothing but a addition. Okay? Now, what is the symbol for addition, Nana? What is the sign for addition? Plus. What is the sign for addition? Plus. Okay? Now, 2 plus 2. You are having 2. Your friend is giving 2. Okay? So 2 plus 2. What is the answer, ma? 4. You have 2 and your friend is asking 2. So how many you have total? 2 and your friend 1. So total how many you have? 4 chocolates. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay? Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now tell me, First, this is like skip counting. Okay? Already you have in money chapter, isn't it? Like that only. Just see. 2 plus 2. How much, ma? Up to here? 4. 4 plus 2. How much? 6. 6 plus 2. How much, Nana? 8. So what is the answer? 8. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. Now, tell me this one. 2 plus 2. 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Up to here, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 11, 12. So what answer you got finally? 12. Isn't it? Now, observe these two examples here. In the first example, you are adding 2 times. Yes? Now come to here. The same 2 you are adding here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times you are adding. In the second example, you are adding same 2 4 times. In the third one, how many times you are adding, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times you are adding? 6 times. Same 2 you are adding repeatedly. Am I correct? Yes? So, every time what you are doing? You are adding same number repeatedly. Okay? So, you are adding continuously, you are adding again and again, you are adding 2 plus 2. Again you are adding 2. Again you are adding 2. Yes? So, now how much time it is taking? 2 plus 2. 4. 4 plus 2. 6. 6 plus 2. 8. 8 plus 2. 10. 10 plus 2. 12. How much time it is taking? Little bit long. Yes? So, for this what we have to do is, we have to find the short one. Quickly we have to say the answer. How we will say that one? Listen. First here you have to mention 2 questions. What is that? How many? How many times? And next one is what? Here you have to arise 2 questions. What is that? You have to answer these 2 questions. How many times and what? Okay. Now look at this first one. Look at the first example. How many times you are repeating? 1 and 1. So how many times you are repeating? 2 times. What is the second one? What number you are repeating? What number you are repeating? What number you are repeating, Nana? 2. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now for this, look at this one. What is the first question? What is the first question? How many times? So how many times this number is repeating? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. How many times it is repeating? 4 times. What is the second question? What? What number is repeating? Which number is repeating here? 2. Which number is repeating here? 2. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Now look at the third example. Look at the third example. What is the first question? How many times? What is the first question? How many times? So how many times? Just look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times here? 6. Second question. What number? What number you are adding every time? 2. What number you are adding every time? 2. So 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12. Just I am erasing these answers. Now compare this process. See, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, this is only 2 times. Easily you can say 2 2s are 4. Now look at here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. How much time it is taking? Little bit long. Yes. Now here 4 2s are 8. We got easily. Fastly we are calculating. Yes. Now look at this one. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. How much time it is taking? Little bit long now. Now look at this one. 6 2s are 12. Answer we got. Observe these two methods. Okay, Nana? So, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of the same number. Suppose if we want to add any number many times repeatedly, means many times if we want to add one number, then we go for multiplication. Understood, Nana? Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of the same number. What is multiplication, Nana? What is multiplication? Repeated addition. Repeated addition of the same number. Of the same number. So when we want to add same number many times, we go for multiplication. So what is multiplication, Nana? Repeated addition of the same number. When we want to add same number many times, the short method is what? Shortcut method is what? Multiplication. Understood? So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition of the same number. Okay. Now look at this one. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. One way is we can add 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 50. That is one way. Yes, we got 50. What is another way? What is another way and fast way? Multiplication. See here. First question is how many times? How many times count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Next one. What number? What number is repeating here? 3. So 5 3s are 15. Easy. Okay. Which one you are doing fastly? This one or this one? Second one. So when we want to add a number many times, we go for multiplication. We go for multiplication. Have you understood, Nana, what is multiplication and when we go for multiplication? Yes? Must see some yesterday means review exercise problem. What I explained before, A and B Miss gave for homework. Yes? C problem Miss explained in the class itself, isn't it? Very good. Everybody are responding. Okay, Nana. When we go for multiplication, what is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Okay. So when we want to add a number many times, the better option is tables, means multiplication. Short way and easy and quickly. Okay. So when we want to add any number repeatedly, then we go for multiplication. Okay, Nana? Addition means what we do? Addition means we will bring the numbers together. Okay? Subtraction means what we do? Just we take away the number. Addition means we bring. So from your friend you are taking. That is addition. Subtraction means you are giving to your friend. Multiplication means the same number what you have, that number repeatedly you are adding. Repeatedly you are adding. Understood the difference? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. Again I am explaining, listen. Addition means you have something. Suppose you have 5. And in the addition what you will do? You will take from your friend. You will take from your friend. That is addition. Subtraction means what you will do? Subtraction means what you will do? What you have, from that you are giving something to your friend. Okay? You will give to your friend. Subtraction is nothing but you will give to your friend. Okay? Multiplication means what you have, the same numbers you will add repeatedly. The same number you will add repeatedly. That is nothing but multiplication. Understood the difference between addition, subtraction and multiplication? Okay, ma? What is the sign for addition, Nana? What is the sign for addition? Plus. What is the sign for subtraction? Minus. Like that, what is the sign for multiplication? Into. This is the sign for multiplication. Addition means you will take from your friend. Means your friend will give to you. Subtraction means you will give to your friend. Multiplication means what you will do, the same number what you have, continuously will add, repeatedly will add. Understood, Nana? This is a symbol for addition, this is a symbol for subtraction, and this is for multiplication. Okay, now see one more example. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, Nana? Now what I told, 2 questions you have to arise. What is the first question? How many times? So how many times the number is repeating? 4. What is the second question? What? What is the second question? What? What number is repeating? What number is repeating every time? 5. So 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. So here 20 is nothing but answer in the multiplication. This is the answer. This is the answer. This answer we call product. What we call, Nana? Product. Answer in the multiplication is called product. Answer in the addition is called sum. Answer in the subtraction is called difference. Answer in the multiplication is called product. Sign for addition, plus. Sign for subtraction, minus. Sign for multiplication, into. Answer in the addition is called sum. Answer in the subtraction is called difference. Answer in the multiplication is called product. What we call, Nana? Product. And here these 2 numbers, what numbers we are multiplying are called factors. What we call? Factors. Okay. What numbers we are multiplying is called factors. answering the multiplication is called product. Okay, Nana? So, what is multiplication? Multiplication means repeated addition. What is multiplication? Repeated addition. So, continuously again and again you will add. Same number you will add or different number you will add? Same number. See, observe here. We are adding every time 5 only. Suppose if you take 6 means every time you should add 6 only. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 like that. You should not add 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus, this is wrong. You should not add different numbers. Okay, that won't come under multiplication. Okay, Nana? So multiplication means same number, any number, that number only continuously you should add. Here we are taking 5. So 5, 5, 5, 5 like that. Here we are taking 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. These two methods are correct. Here 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus, so it won't come under multiplication. Okay, Nana? So what is multiplication? Repeated addition of the same number. What is the sign for multiplication? Into. Okay, Nana? Next. What is the answer in the multiplication? Product. The numbers what we are multiplying are called factors. Okay, Nana? This is introduction regarding the multiplication. I will give notes tomorrow. Okay, Nana? Now, today's homework, write 2 tables 2 times. Tables are very important, Nana. This is your homework. Learn and write 2 tables 2 times. This is your homework. Okay, tables are very, without getting the table, you can't do this multiplication. Okay, Nana? Read 2 tables and write 2 times. You should get 2 tables. Okay, Nana? So this is today's homework. Okay, Nana? So you have to read tables. Until that, whether you did homework or not, I don't know. But tables are very, important, Nana. Without getting the tables, you can't do the multiplication. Okay? So write, learn and write tables, 2 tables 2 times. Okay, Nana? Now you have social class ready with your social book.